To check exactly where assembly parts may contact one another due to their allowable movement, SOLIDWORKS offers the collision detection tool. It is possible to check for collision between any parts belonging to the whole assembly, or filtered down to only the parts that are of concern. The colliding faces can be set to highlight and stop the dynamic drag. Parts coming into contact is often intentional, and the user would wish to check for overall resulting alignment in different design scenarios. Update dimensions straight from the assembly and the new resulting range of motion can be observed. In many cases, collision must be avoided completely, but without having a means to check for it, an undesired collision could go unnoticed and potentially result in product failure. After problem areas are highlighted, design changes can be made to resolve the issue, then checked once more.